Well, Craig, I know there's going to be an element of disappointment that comes with that one, with the result, but what about the performance? How do you assess that this evening?
Yeah, look, I think we've been better at times. You know, we've performed well in patches of the game. Thought second half we're much better than what we were in the first half. You know, we obviously scored a goal in the first half. You know, we obviously scored a goal, and I think, you know, 20 minutes on the clock, it's a long time to take a backward step and try to defend that, you know, where we possibly did a little bit too early. You know, we got in at half time and changed a couple of things, and I thought the lads were brilliant in the second half. You know, we've limited them to, you know, long range shots in the second half, and obviously the game finishes 0-0 from half time onwards, and I think we just needed to make sure that we got through to the half. If we had got through the half with, you know, in front or at 1-1, it might have been a different story, but nah, I think on the night, you know, you've got to be honest, and I thought Shamrock Rovers deserved to win on the night.
In terms of the emotional roller coaster that is football, you know, after you've gone one ahead as well, does that make it tougher to take?
Yeah, obviously it does, you know, because, you know, we're all looking to try and score goals, and, you know, goals are the toughest thing in football to do, and to score in European football, it's really tough. So then you want to build on that, but we didn't quite get it right, you know. After that, you know, between us scoring and half time, and we got stretched, and we didn't quite get it right, you know. So unfortunately, in that time at this level of football, before you know it, you're 2-1 down, and it was a long road back, you know. But the second half, we've had some half chances, we've gotten some good areas where we could just done a little bit better, but you know, like I said, you know, you can't go away from you know, Shamrock Rovers were the better team on the night.
And do you think maybe that's what it boils down to as well, maybe not being able to make the most of those chances when they did arise?
No, I just think, you know, at this level of football, everything's got to go for you. You know, everyone's got to be at the top game. You know, you've got to be really good defensively. You can't afford to make any mistakes. You've got to take any opportunity you get, and everything's got to go right for you. And that's how it went at Astana. You know, what was it? 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, whatever it was, and that coincides with a victory. You know, this level of football. That's just this level of football.
Well, we spoke before the game, didn't we, about the fact that you begin with the same 11 that beat Astana from 2-0. What was it that didn't quite click tonight? What was the difference with that 11 this evening? Yeah,
I don't think there's any real difference. I think obviously we're going to have to reflect on that and have a look back and have a look, you know, tactically, where did we step off a little bit too early? Did we you know, not get after them after we scored the goal? You know, we'll have to have a look back that as coaches and look at that and break it down. But obviously we've just not long finished the game. You know, it's really hard to try to analyse it straight off the top of your head with what's happened. So we'll go away and we'll have a look, and you know, and hopefully it's something that we've done really well as a group. We've learned from every European game, all the way going back to Hacken and Swift 18 months ago, whatever it is. You know, we've been better, and we've learned from it, and we've learned from them European experiences. And again, at this level, it's only our third game at this level, so it's really important that we don't get too down, too negative. We take the positives and we try to, you know, look at the negatives, and can we erase them from the next game, and then we'll go again.
Craig, diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.
Very much. Thanks, Nikki. Thank you.